Everybody's asking what's Instagram's new feature Notes all about, but you're smart. You want to utilize it for business, and that's why you landed on this video, and we're going to break that down in today's topic. So stay tuned, get subscribed if you're new here, smash that like button if you like it, and let's start out with number one. So you want to start out keeping notes under 4 words. Why is that? Because typically around 4 words, it starts cutting things off. Now it's not precise, and Instagram might update this in the future, but the smaller the words, the more you can fit in it. The bigger the words, the more it's gonna cut off. So when you're utilizing these notes or anything social media, anything online, the less steps people have to take, the better. So if somebody can just click on, see your note clearly, and they vibe with it, they agree with it, they can click on it and react. If they can't see it all, a lot of people might pass over it because it doesn't fully resonate with them. So you want to keep your Instagram notes as viewable as possible. And that's typically around 4 letters or less. And then we have engagement. You want to boost engagement. In any social media, engagement is king. If you have a lot of engagement, they're going to boost your posts. And it should be the same thing under Instagram notes as well. If you have a higher viewed story, a higher engaged story, then it's going to correlate to Instagram notes. And it just makes sense because that's how Instagram runs. Have you ever noticed whenever you have a story that gets a lot of views, it's typically because people are commenting, they're dropping emojis, they're liking it, and notes shouldn't be any other way. Now this is a new feature, it could be changed in the future, but typically you should be okay with posting something that's gonna get a lot of engagement. For example, the new Avatar movie just came out, and I put Avatar thumbs up or thumbs down. And I started getting a lot of people putting thumbs up, thumbs down, and then I might ask them why, and then go into some details. Now for your business, you might say, let's say you're doing an event. You have a birthday celebration coming up. Hey, having a birthday this time, or birthday this time, or New Year's party this time. And then people will drop an emoji or engage with it if that resonates with them. Or you could even say, drop an emoji if this, if you want to go here this weekend, if you like cars, if you are entrepreneurial, drop an emoji if you are real estate savvy. Say something like that, but try to minimize it down to 4 words. I know it can be extremely difficult trying to get your point across in 4 words, but if you can figure out how to condense that into 4 words, then you're gonna get a lot more engagement, because that's the less steps people have to take. People don't want to click on it and then have to read the rest of it. And when they go to read the rest of the note, it's very small. So some people can't read that small, so they're probably going to pass it up. So anything boosting engagement. You also want to ask questions. Whenever you ask a question, it kind of compels people to actually answer that question, especially if it's relative to them. Do you want to make more money? Do you want to work remote? Remote work? Question mark. I'm not sure how general questions would work, like 2-word questions, but you can go ahead and try it. But if you can get a solid point across in 4 words, like I said, that's going to be your best bet. Advertise. Now you want to advertise your business on notes as well, especially if you don't really message people a lot. This is going to be a good opener for you. So people are going to be coming to you instead of you coming to them, and they're going to pop up in your feed, their note feeds. So your business, you want your business or even your social media account, if you're trying to build followers, to always be popping up on people's page. This is just another place that people can see your page. And when people see your page more often, they're more often to follow what you're doing. They're more often to buy what you're selling, either a product or a service or whatever you're doing. So if that makes sense, just leave me a like right now. If you have a question on that, drop a comment and I will reply as soon as I see it. And drop an emoji. You can do a lot of things with just saying drop an emoji. An example I came up with was, what's your sign? and people might put like Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces and stuff like that. That got a lot of engagement. You could say any other questions just like that. Just if you see anything on social media, Facebook, Twitter, anything like that, and it's a short question that's got a lot of engagement, or maybe even in the YouTube comments or on forums like Reddit, or if you just go into Google and type in like what's your favorite this or favorite color, and any topic that like pops up is typically the more popular topic, and that's something you could apply to your Instagram notes to boost the engagement. Just think of it like a Facebook or a Twitter, but down to like 4 words. So Instagram's basically giving you the opportunity to utilize a social networking post without having to utilize the picture. So you want people to be commenting in your DMs, so that boosts the engagement, that boosts the customer appeal, and that boosts the connection with the customer. So make sure you guys utilize notes. Instagram is putting it there for a reason. Whenever they come out with a new feature, it's typically the people that use the feature the most that gets promoted to the top of the ranks. So if you guys have any other questions on that, let me know down below. I'm going to be including a Google Drive link that you can actually download a lot of different note examples that I've made or even looked up or seen, and you could just use those every day and post them because they expire about 24 hours and boost the engagement there. It's real simple. You don't have to make a video. You just type in around 4 words, and that boosts the engagement. Yeah, so let me know if you guys like this video, if you got any value out of it. Smash that like button again, hit subscribe because we'll be bringing you more videos in the future, and we'll see you on the next one.